the top right corner, click the Enquiry button. Let's begin by entering your basic company details. Then select the sector as water pumping. Now, move to the water pumping specific details. Type of pump and power rating. Water flow rate of each pump. Number of pumps on a single pontoon and size of each pump. Size of the suction inlet and delivery outlet pipes. Number of pontoons and weight of each pump.
Size of delivery outlet pipe.
Project name and project type. Maximum loading value and wave or water flow details of the water body. Type of water body, water depth, and water bed type. You can also upload any related documents to support your project details. Finally, click Submit Form, and our team will connect with you soon to discuss your water pumping project.